can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. Green day in the cryptocurrency market today, double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. The Fed has actually cut interest rates. Boom, boom, boom. The market's pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, and even on a yearly time frame. But sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. We have not still gotten into that extreme great territory. They have not still gotten into that extreme fear territory. The bulls and the bears can decide, are we pumping to the moon? Are we dumping to gobbling town? Bitcoin trades above $117,000. News stories, CME Group to launch options on Solana XRP futures in October. Will that be the top? We'll look at the altcoin season index. Is official. When an altcoin season, meme coins are pumping, Bitcoin dominance is dumping. How will that affect the price of the altcoins over the next few days and next few weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is pumping. Double-digit gains across the board in altcoin market over the last 1 week, but sentiment in the cryptocurrency market doesn't match the price. Altcoin season index tells us when altcoin season. The question is, if we're in altcoin season, which altcoins are actually pumping, guys? The top altcoins are actually pumping. If you take a look at the top altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, XRP, BNB, Tron, Hype, Ethereum, Bitcoin, they're actually pumping, but a lot of market participants, but too many altcoins and now sentiment is neutral, even though Bitcoin is near all-time highs, even though Ethereum trades near $4,600, Cardano trades near 91 cents. Binance coin is almost at $1,000. Good news going around the cryptocurrency market. But guys, I believe the big one is going to be coming in October. CME will release options on Solana XRP futures for the first time, extending regulated crypto derivative beyond Bitcoin and Ether, and means growing US market demand. Crazy. Good news always appears at the top, bad news appears at the bottom, and the date for that will be starting the 13th of October. It's going to be interesting to see how that will affect the price of these three cryptocurrencies starting on the 13th of October. We saw Bitcoin topping in 2017 when the CME futures was also launched. Will that be the top for Solana? Will that be the top for XRP? Right now, XRP currently trades around $3. Are we going to see it rally to new all-time highs? There's always that possibility. Good news at the top. I will not be shocked to see us rallying towards higher prices and retail investors combine the top just again. If you look at the total crypto market cap, all of crypto is worth $4.01 trillion. But guys, as we're setting new all-time highs, we have to be honest with ourselves. As we're setting new all-time highs, we have to pay attention to the indicators. Right now, total crypto market cap sits at $4 trillion. But guys, if you look at what the indicators are telling us, when we got to $2.66 trillion, that was when we had the highest value on the RSI. When we got to around the $3.7 trillion level, that was in December of 2024. The RSI was showing us there was bearish divergence, higher price in RSI, no higher price in market cap, lower high in RSI. And right now we are seeing similar price action play out since the 14th of July 2025, where the crypto market cap has been setting new all-time highs, while the RSI is not setting new all-time highs. It's actually setting lower highs. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, we'll be monitoring these. Hopefully, I believe the top is near. As the top is near, we'll be expecting to see more dump in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market currently sits around 57.82%. Over the next few days, as all coins expand in value, over the next few days, as Ethereum, Solana, and XRP pump to Valhalla, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. The 51% region is where I'm targeting. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump to as low as 51%, maybe even lower than that. ETH, the king of altcoins, have been pumping. We have seen that rally go from as low as $1,300. We have seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,900. And in the coming weeks, an all-time high will be very appropriate for Ethereum. But guys, again, pay attention to the indicators. We saw Ethereum getting to $4,000 in March of 2024. We saw the RSI getting to the 84 region. Hopefully it gets to the 84 region this time, but right now it's printing a bearish divergence. I still expect Ethereum to be pumping maybe 5,500 to around the $6,000 Ethereum is possible. I believe the next rally we're going to see us have the blow off top, because if you look at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, right now we're at all-time highs. Right now we're getting ready to just continue pumping at all-time highs. That's when FOMO returns. At all-time highs is when market participants start getting greedy. If you look at the altcoin season index, we're 8 days into this altcoin season, but it doesn't feel like we're 8 days into the altcoin season, because there was fear in the market. There was thoughts about what to mean for the Fed cutting interest rates, yada yada yada. But right now we're pumping on a daily time frame. We're pumping on a weekly time frame. We are pumping on a monthly time frame. Guys, you're always playing the game right here. The game is against yourself. It's against the other market participants. You're trying to buy as low as possible, and you're trying to sell as high as possible. You want to buy when there's fear, and you want to sell when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. And right now, in altcoin season, that's when altcoins usually go parabolic. In previous cycles, that's what we have seen. And historically, after this altcoins go parabolic, then we begin our dump to gobbling town. After the altcoins pump, then the dump to gobbling town begins. In 2021, after I went for Altseason, boom, 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 boom. So Altseason was over. That was when the dump to gobbling town began. And even when in November, when we saw Bitcoin and Ethereum getting to set new all-time highs, the altcoin market didn't get that shine again. So hopefully over the next few days, over the next few weeks, we'll see more altcoins stay outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just up 10% over the last 90 days. An altcoin season happens if only 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That's an altcoin season. Right now, we're 8 days into this altcoin season. I'm expecting to see more pumps, especially in the meme coin market. The meme coin market this cycle has gone parabolic. We have seen it get above the $100 billion region. Right now, valued around $81 billion. I'll not be shocked to see the meme coin market set new all-time highs. Meme coins are funny when the market is pumping. They are always not funny when the market is dumping. Volatility is your friend. The huge pumps to the moon in the meme coin market could also lead to huge dumps to gobbling town. That's what makes the game interesting. And if you look at what has happened over the last 7 days, over the last 30 days, the meme coin market has been seeing some gains. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, over the last 30 days, Bitcoin is up just 1.86%. Ethereum is up 8.77%. You can see that the altcoin market is outperforming Bitcoin. BNB is up 17%. Solana is up 36%. Dogecoin is up 29%. And we have Hype up 38%. So if you held these altcoins, you would have been doing good for yourself. If you held the top altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, your portfolio will also be near the all-time highs. But a lot of times, market participants just hold plenty altcoins. They hold a vast range of altcoins. Some people are holding meme coins. Some people are holding their beloved projects. The game is the game. The market is the ultimate decider. If the market says Ethereum is number 2, XRP is number 3, that's what it is. No matter what you believe, you have to believe that the market is smarter than, like the collective of the market is smarter than one person. If you look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, currently trading around $117,000. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $124,000 in this cycle. It's been a wild ride for Bitcoin. We've seen Bitcoin go from as low as $15,500 to $124,000. That's more than a 700% pump to the upside. There's still speculation that Bitcoin continue pumping to the moon. That's why if you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, even at $117,000, sentiment is just neutral. Who would have guessed so just a few months ago? This has been a very funny cycle. We have seen Bitcoin go from it's dumping to 10K, it must go to 12K, to this you have to better sell, the banking crisis, yada yada, to ETFs are getting launched, and ETFs are getting launched, Bitcoin should start dumping to gobbling town. Bitcoin actually pumped, went sideways for 6 months, pumped again during the election, went sideways during the tariff tantrum, and now we've seen all-time highs. But if you look through this whole journey, guys, you see that the momentum indicator telling us that we're losing momentum. So I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin probably set new all-time highs. but we're expecting the main party to be in the altcoin market as Bitcoin dominance dump, as we see total crypto market setting new all-time highs. And if you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, over the last 24 hours, we have seen 111,000 traders getting liquidated. The total liquidation is currently around $404 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on HTX. One trader lost $42 million. They were saying September was the bearish month. Before we got to September, there was whole moods and emotions in the market. How, oh my God, September is always a bad month for Bitcoin. Funny enough, we're having the best September in Bitcoin's history. Bearish at the bottom, bullish at the top. In August, we still set all-time highs for Bitcoin for sunny reasons. Market price balance were very, very bearish. If you look at what Bitcoin has done since the month of April, it's been basically positive. For the first time in August, we set just a new all-time highs and Bitcoin pullback. There was huge bearish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, so a lot of market participants are getting used to higher prices. Guys, remember, the game doesn't last forever. At some point in time, the nearest future, a big dump to Goblin Town is coming. So the higher we go, the more you sell for some sweet profit. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How are you experiencing Altseason? Are you enjoying the pump in the altcoin market? Are your altcoins pumping? Which altcoins do you think are going to be going parabolic next? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.